IAEA is an organization which functions in the area of, the correct answer is C, that is nuclear energy. The full form of IAEA is International Atomic Energy Agency. So the IAEA secretariat is headquartered at the Vienna International Center in Vienna, that is in Austria. And the three main areas of work the IAEA mission is safety, security and science and technology, and safeguards and verifications. Which prominent intergovernmental organization launched the movement Education for All, that is EFA? The correct answer is D, that is UNESCO. So, Education for All is also a USA based organization that strives to provide free education to disadvantaged, unprivileged rural children, completely in line with UNESCO initiative. Which of the following organizations is known as market regulator in India? The correct answer is B, that is SEBI, SEBI. The full form of SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is a regulatory body for securities and commodity market in India under the ownership of Ministry of Finance and Government of India. And SEBI is established in 12th April 1988. It is established on 12th April 1988 and given statutory powers on 30th January 1992 through the SEBI Act 1992. Which among the following agencies organization will act as regulator of microfinance institutions in India? The correct answer is A, that is RBI. So, RBI is the agency or organization, we can say, will act as regulator of microfinance institution in India. What is the full form of NPCI, which is an umbrella organization for all retail payments system in India? The correct answer is A, that is National Payments Corporation of India. So, NPCI is an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement system in India and is an initiative by Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association under the provision of the Payment and Settlement Act, that is 2007. Amnesty International is an organization associated with which of the following fields? The correct answer is B, that is protection of human rights. So, Amnesty International was founded in London in 1961 and it worked to mobilize public opinion to generate pressure on governments where abuse take place. And Amnesty consider capital punishment to be the ultimate irreversible denial of the human rights. Which of the following is not a chief organ of the United Nations organizations? The correct answer is A, that is International Labour Organization. So, the main organ of the United Nations organization are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and the Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice and the UN Secretariat. So, International Labour Organization is not a chief organ of the United Nations organizations. Rest all are a chief organs of the United Nations. Which of the following international organization has the highest number of member countries? The correct answer is C, that is United Nations. The United Nations is an international organization which is founded in 1945 and currently made up of 193 member states. Which international organization governs basketball in the world? The correct answer is C, that is FIBA. So the highest governing body in basketball is called FIBA. That is, FIBA is responsible for dictating the trends of basketball worldwide, deciding rules, organizing competitions and popularizing the game of basketball. Which of the following organizations publishes an annual report titled Global Competitiveness Index? The correct answer is D, that is World Economic Forum. So, Global Competitiveness Report is yearly report published by the World Economic Forum since 2004. Which of these is an organization that promotes sustainable management and conservation of tropical forest? The correct answer is D, that is International Tropical Timber Organization. So, the International Tropical Timber Organization, that is ITTO, is an intergovernmental organization promoting the sustainable management and conservation of tropical forest and the expansion and diversification of international trade in tropical timber for sustainably managed and legally harvested forest. Program for International Student Assessment, that is PISA, is conducted by which organization? The correct answer is C, that is OECD. PISA is an international study that was launched by OECD in 1997. First administered in 2000 and now covers 80 countries. Every 3 years, the PISA survey provides comparative data on 15-year-old performance in reading, mathematics and science. The full form of OECD is O for organization, for E for economics, C for cooperation and D for development. Which of the following is one of the Millennium Development Goals fixed by the United Nations organization, that is UNO? The correct answer is A, that is develop a global partnership for development. Which of the following issues is an issue in World Trade Organization on which India and few other countries were having altogether different views than developed countries? The correct answer is A, that is subsidies and government procurement policy. The Golden Chariot, a luxury tourist train, is jointly operated by Indian Railways and which of the following state tourism organization? The correct answer is A, that is Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation. So, Golden Chariot is a luxury train based holiday experience offered by Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation along with Indian Railways. And this is a fully air conditioned train with 11 residential coaches, 2 restaurants, a lounge bar, a spa, a mini gym and a business center. Which among the following countries is not a member of Financial Action Task Force, an international organization to combat terrorist financing? So, the correct answer is C, Iran. So, Iran is the country, is not a member of Financial Action Task Force. World Health Statistics, an important report, is published every year by which of the following international organization? The correct answer is D, that is WHO. So, the World Health Report is an annual publication from the WHO, that is World Health Organization, and which provides analysis of the increasingly important influence of health systems in the daily lives of people worldwide. And the report includes basic statistical data for member countries. SAARC was founded by how many countries in 1985? The correct answer is B, that is 7. So the full form of SAARC is the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So it is an economic and political organization of 8 countries in South Asia, and it was developed in 1985 when the head of state of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD, was established in, the correct answer is A, that is 1982. The exact date is 12th July 1982, and it is established by an act of the Parliament. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development is an apex regulatory body for overall regulation of regional rural bank and apex cooperative banks in India, and it is come under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance and Government of India. When was Safari first released by Apple? The correct answer is B, that is 2003. So it released on 7th January 2003. Hope this video will help you in your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.